Hi, my name is Shrikant. Just 5 minutes back, I have completed my hair transplantation. So before coming to this clinic, I have taken somewhere else. So I am unsatisfied with the results. And then I came to Abhisar. So it was 8 hours of surgery. So when starting, the anesthesia will be given. So it will be pain 1 minute or 2 minutes. That's it. So later, after removing hair from here, so in the front end part, it will be paining only for 30 seconds. And then I am keep on talking with Abhisar. I am not feeling any pain or I am totally satisfied with the treatment. And the result will be appear after 1 year. So Abhisar has promised me that I will get the good result, and I am very happy and satisfied with the surgery.
No pain, nothing is there?
No, there is no pain because 5 minutes only happened. I am talking, I am laughing, and I am chit-chatting with Abhisar in the meanwhile of the surgery. Totally I am satisfied with Abhisar treatment.
Anyone can take the treatment now?
Yeah, I will recommend everyone to take the treatment here because I am satisfied. Because this is the second time, right? The first time I felt 14 days of pain. So here,
the clinic or you?
I am telling you about the first I did, not in this clinic. This clinic I didn't have any pain. In previous clinic I taken rest for 14 days and I am not satisfied. Some swelling will happen, but here there is nothing. Is there? You only imagine that I am talking just 5 minutes happened of surgery. I totally recommend and I am satisfied with Abhisar treatment.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Hi, my name is Shrikant. So it's after 2 days of surgery. Before hair transplantation. So before telling about this surgery, previously I took with other clinic with other doctor. So there what happened is surgery went on one day only, and I am not able to speak for 2 days, and the bed rest is of 4 days. That too lot of swelling and pain will be there. Later, after I came here, it's after 2 days of surgery. So today also I am able to speak. It's just 15 minutes back I completed my hair transplantation. So I didn't feel any pain or any discomfort and all. I am fit and fine. It's of very safely. Abhisar has done the surgery, and there is nothing to worry about the pain and everything. It's very good, and the plantation go very smoothly. And I am very confident that I am eagerly waiting to complete my 1 year. That too taking proper medicines, which Abhisar has recommended. So I recommend this clinic for your better hair transplantation and hair growth. I have trust in Abhisar, because he ensured me that the result will get in 1 year. That you need to take proper medicines, not like ignoring the medicines. You need to take proper medicines 1 year. So I am very confident that I will get my hair in 1 year. Yeah.
You are fit and fine, so you.
Yeah, I am fit and fine.
Anybody can take hair transplant?
Yeah, anybody can take hair transplantation because I am able to sleep. Yesterday I have taken surgery. I am able to sleep very smooth, very fine. And today 8 hours surgery was happened. So in surgery also I am able to speak very good, and it's up very safely and comfortably. Abhisar has done the surgery. You can trust, and you can trust me also, and we can take the surgery here.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhisar. Hi, my name is Shrikant. So 2 days of surgery completed. So today is the 3rd day. Just I came for casual meet. Just morning took a breakfast. There is nothing got pain, swelling, nothing. I just came normally, and I came by my car only. I only driven. There is nothing called pain and all. You can safely trust me.
Okay. Yesterday night, how it was? Yesterday night?
Yesterday night normal sleep only. There is nothing anything pain or headache. You can sleep normally while taking proper medicines and precautions. That's it. And you should have proper breakfast also meanwhile after waking up. And just now I taken my tablets and took some spray and just came to meet Abhisar naturally. That's it.
Today is 3rd day, no, for you.
Yeah, today is 3rd day. I came for normally, not for surgery and all. Just to consult Abhisar, I came. That's it.
Okay. Fit and fine, no?
Yeah, fit
For
and
your
fine.
hand?
Yeah, fit and fine.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, officer. Yeah, hi, my name is Shrikant. So I have taken hair transplantation here 1 month back. So today I came again for the clinic just for chit chat with the officer. So it has been 2 days of surgery. So first 2 days of surgery and then 2 days of rest. That's it. I have taken only 1.5 day actually. So I have taken proper medicines and all. There is no pain, swelling and all. So before coming to this clinic, so I taken hair transplantation in another clinic. So with another doctor, so there I felt somewhat paining, swelling and all. That too 14 days of bed rest and all. So lot of waste of energy and all. So later their treatment is different and here the treatment is different. So here after 1.5 month, 1.5 day I have taken proper rest and all. So Monday only I started working and then driving car and all. So the thing is you need to take proper meditation and I am eagerly waiting for 1 year results and I am very confident with Abhisar treatment. So I am waiting for the results, that's it. So I am happy and fit and fine.
Okay. Your parents are happy?
Yeah, my father was very happy seeing hair transplantation and I taken my car, I went home, spoken with my family members. After taking fourth day only I went for my home.
How far is your home?
It's 100 kilometers from Bangalore. I have driven my car from Bangalore to my home. It has been 3 hours of journey. I didn't felt any headache, pain and all. My parents are happy and I am also happy.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, officer.